Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a screenshot into Microsoft Word. This should be just a quick tutorial video. Let's go ahead and open up the Microsoft Word document you have. If you want to insert a screenshot, there are two main ways you can do it. First, if you already have a screenshot, you can just insert it from the images you have. And if you want to insert a newly taken screenshot, just go ahead and click on the Insert tab. You can find it located at the top. Now go ahead and click on Screenshot. That's located on the right, as you can see now. Just click on it and then click on Screen Clipping to take a new screenshot. Now just go ahead and select the screenshot you want. It will be automatically uploaded to your Word document. You can also edit it, as you can see now. Now, if you want to insert a screenshot that you already have on your computer, just go ahead and click on the Insert tab, which is located at the top again. Then just click on Pictures and choose this device. Then just choose the picture you have. For example, I already took this screenshot before. Just select it. As you can see here, the screenshot is uploaded to the Word document. So this was how to insert a screenshot into a Microsoft Word document. This was an easy and quick tutorial video. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.